I always quote Milos Forman, who just passed and is one of my favorite directors, and he said, I am excellent director because everyone I work with is even better than me. That is what you want to be. I think a lot of filmmaking is alchemy. That's the closest thing I've ever heard it described to. It's very hard. It's not a recipe. It's like this alchemy of emotion and people around you and chemical ideas and transference of excitement and enthusiasm. I try to bring that to every interaction I have with students. This culture of collaboration, which is really basically the essence, I think, of what makes our school different, is to try to cross these lines between dancers, actors, filmmakers, musical theater students, to get them all to experience what the other does in their department. It gives them a taste of what it's like to truly collaborate. And as we go, we kind of platform that kind of collaboration into meaningful projects. A lot of what we do as an art form is we have to be open to the elements. We have to be open to the happy accidents. We're looking for the glorious mess in the art. But once you get through that, you find the good stuff.